Hello, folks. Welcome to another adventure in Gary's World and Workshop. So it's this fall, and up here in East Coast Canada, I guess we'll say. Um, Lots of leaves around. The leaves all come down. They were colored beautiful there for a while, but now it's an awful mess. So my eave troughs, I used to go up to my eave troughs, clean out all the leaves every year, and I'd be in there and I'd be digging them out and try different things for hands. You're wet. No, pain in the butt. Pain in the butt. So I got looking around and I found you can get extensions, like long poles for a pressure washer. And you can be on the ground and it goes up and it kind of turns in to the eave trough and blows the leaves out. But I'm thinking, how do you know what's going on when you're not even up there? You can't see inside. So I just thought to myself, well, I don't know, probably somebody does, but I didn't even actually go look. Just thought, well, why don't I just take the pressure washer up there with me? Got a long hose. I'll go up there, I'll stick it in there, and I'll try blowing leaves out. So there we go. That's what this video is all about. Gary experimenting with a leaf blower or a pressure washer, cleaning out his eave trough leaves. So let's get her done. So it's kind of fall of the year. Most of the leaves are down. As you can see in front of my house, I have quite a few leaves, or quite a few trees. So of course my eave troughs are going to be full of leaves. So I'm going to take the pressure washer and see what I can do. Again, around the back of the house, you can see there's lots of trees around. So I'm going to have lots of leaves up in these eave troughs. So let's see what I can do. Here we are in the back of the we're all set up back here now. Let's see what we can do with the leaves. So let's go up top and have a look. Yeah, lots and lots of leaves. So we'll see how it works. I don't know how well it's going to work, but let's see what happens here. Trying to hold the phone and woo. There you go. Ooh, doggy. Let him go. Hot dog. Pretty nice job. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. It's like, wow, because they never do a good job. But, that's awesome. Works great. Okay, folks, we did the blew the you know what of the leaves in the eave trough. Turned out very well. It worked out good. So go ahead, try a pressure wash. Just be awful careful. Don't fall off the freaking roof. Okay. Bye for now. If you like this, sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll catch you on the next adventure. Gary's World and Workshop out.